If you're trying to build a career in project management right now, you've probably faced a confusing problem. You read about it online, watch a few videos, and everything sounds simple. Plan the project, manage the team, deliver on time. But the moment you actually try to step into the role, you realize there is a gap, a big gap, between knowing what a project manager does and actually becoming one that companies want to hire. That is because building a career in project management is not just about learning definitions. It is about following the right order, building the right skills, and getting the right certification that proves your ability. So in this video, I'm going to break down the path to becoming a project manager step by step, especially useful if you're a beginner. And I will also show you how to fast track your career with a credential that actually opens doors. Let us get started. Hi, I'm Nausima, the founder of Start Agile. And today, we are not just talking about project management as a job. We are talking about building it as a career, because most beginners make one big mistake. They chase the title before they build a skill. They want to be called a project manager without understanding what the role actually demands. But project management is much easier when you treat it like a discipline, not like a designation. The goal is simple: understand the fundamentals, learn the methodologies, get certified, and eventually lead real projects with confidence. Before you chase a job title, you should understand what project management actually is at its core. Project management is the practice of leading a temporary effort to deliver a specific outcome within a defined scope, budget, and timeline. That means you are not just doing tasks, you are coordinating people, resources, and risks. You are responsible for delivery, even when the work is done by others. You are the single point of accountability when things go right or wrong. A project manager works across 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. These 5 phases apply whether you are launching a software product, building a hospital, or organizing a wedding. One reason this career is in such high demand is that almost every industry runs on projects: IT, construction, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, marketing. And every project needs someone who can make sure it actually finishes. Now let us start with the first step of building your career. This is your foundation. If you are in the beginner stage, this is where everything begins. You need to learn the core building blocks of project management: scope, what the project will and will not deliver; schedule, how time is planned and tracked; cost, how the budget is estimated and controlled; quality, what done actually means; risk, what can go wrong and how to prepare; stakeholders, who cares about this project and what they need; communication, how information flows across the team. Think of these as your basic tools. Without them, you cannot manage anything. But here is the important part: do not just read these topics. After learning each concept, apply it to a small example. Pick any project around you, even planning a family trip, and try to define its scope, schedule, and risks. That habit alone will change how you think. Waterfall versus agile. Once you know the fundamentals, the next step is to understand how projects actually get managed in the real world. This is where most beginners get confused. They know the concepts individually, but they do not know which approach to apply. So in this step, your goal is simple: learn the 2 major methodologies. 1. Waterfall, predictive. This is the traditional approach. You plan everything up front, document it thoroughly, and deliver at the end in a fixed sequence. It works best when requirements are stable, like in construction, manufacturing, or regulated industries. 2. Agile, iterative. This is the modern approach used by most software and product teams today. You break the work into small cycles called sprints, deliver something usable in each cycle, gather feedback, and improve. It works best when requirements change often. You will also hear about hybrid, a mix of both, which is increasingly common in large organizations. And inside Agile, you must understand Scrum, the most widely used framework, along with key roles like the Scrum Master and Product Owner, and key artifacts like the product backlog and sprint review. When you understand both Waterfall and Agile, you become flexible. And flexibility is what makes a project manager hireable across industries. Now we come to one of the most important steps in this entire career path: certification. Here's the truth. In project management, your resume gets filtered before a human even reads it. And the single biggest filter recruiters use is whether you hold a recognized certification. The most respected one in the world is the PMP, Project Management Professional, issued by the Project Management Institute, PMI. It is recognized in over 200 countries, and PMP certified professionals, on average, earn around 20% more than non-certified peers. But here's the catch. The PMP exam is hard. It has 180 scenario-based questions, covers people, process, and business environment domains, and includes both predictive and agile content. Most candidates need 6 to 10 weeks of structured preparation to pass. This is exactly why I want to recommend Star Agile's PMP certification training. Star Agile is a PMI authorized training partner, and their PMP course is genuinely built around helping you pass on the first attempt. Here is what you actually get. 35 hours of live instructor-led training, which also fulfills the 35 contact hours PMI requires for exam eligibility. 1,000 plus practice questions with detailed explanations, and 11 full-length mock exams that closely mirror the real PMP test. End-to-end PMP application support, helping you complete the PMI application process correctly. Additional 2-day exam prep bootcamp sessions, and the Golden Ticket program with 200 PMI simulated questions. Learn how to use generative AI to optimize project management workflows in modern organizations. Doubt clarification, support, and unlimited revision sessions to strengthen your preparation. And the trainers, names like Vishak RJ, have years of real project management experience. So you are not just memorizing for an exam, you are learning how the role actually works. I will leave the Star Agile PMP course link in the description below. If you are serious about a career in project management, this is the credential that actually moves your resume to the top of the pile. Certification gets you the interview. Tools help you do the job. Every project manager needs to be comfortable with at least one tool from each of these categories. For Agile and IT teams, Jira is the industry standard. For traditional timeline-heavy projects, Microsoft Project or Smartsheet. For lightweight team coordination, Asana, Trello or ClickUp. For documentation and communication, Confluence, Slack and Microsoft Teams. You do not need to master all of them. Pick the one that matches your target industry, build a small project in it, and learn the rest on the job. The final step is the one most people skip. Do not wait for a project manager title to start managing. Lead a college event, coordinate a freelance gig, volunteer to run a small initiative at your current job. Document every project, what you planned, what went wrong, how you fixed it. That document becomes your portfolio. And then pick a niche. A generic project manager competes with thousands, but a fintech project manager, a healthcare project manager, an AI/ML delivery manager, or a cloud migration project manager, these are smaller, higher paying pools where companies actively struggle to find talent. Go deep in one industry. That is how a job becomes a career. So the path is simple. Learn the fundamentals. Understand the methodologies. Get certified through a serious program like Star Agile's PMP training. Master the right tools. Build real experience. Pick a niche. That is how a beginner in project management turns into a professional that companies actually compete to hire. Not by chasing the title, but by building the skill that earns it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more career roadmaps, and tell me in the comments, which industry do you want to do project management in? Start today, because the only way to build a career in project management is to manage your own first.